The Wheat Diva lives in a world she's built for herself. She's confident, she's progressive. She's rooted to her values and is very comfortable in her own skin. How does it feel when you're the chosen one from amongst millions of people? When you're the one that thousands have voted for? How does it feel to be a diva? We'll find out shortly. In the last episode, we saw our Sweet 16 go through a rigorous training and grooming session. But it's not yet over for our divas. Tonight is the night of Wheat Be the Diva 2012 Grand Finale. So today is the day where we are going to discover our diva.
What is the one big mistake that you've made in your life, and what did you do to make it right?
Ladies and gentlemen, we all are excited, are we? The winner is...
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sonali Sehgal, and I welcome you all to the event that you've all been waiting for. Welcome to the grand finale of Wheat Be the Diva 2012. Wheat the brand is not only known for making the girls feel beautiful and giving them smooth skin, but it also gives them the confidence to go out, face the world, and brings out the hidden diva in them. Wheat is proud to present this unique contest to all of you. This is the very ramp that our Sweet 16 are going to walk on very shortly. I love it already. Let's go backstage and find out what they're really up to. Come on. Girls, hi. Ooh, this is some excitement in the green room already. So guess where I'm coming from? Who wants to take a guess at that? Stage. Yes, and I have to say it looks gorgeous. I just took my walk of fame over there. Actually, I was just testing the stage for you girls and it looks really nice. So you girls haven't seen it, get ready, look beautiful, just do that strut, whatever y'all have learned in that day, and yeah, show it off. So tell me something, you girls have had your training sessions and by Shakir and Venus and all of that, right? So which tip right now is coming the most handy? Oh, she does, okay.
Okay. The tip they said, like, these are all extra. All that matters is the confidence you have, the way you walk, the way you feel like a diva.
Here, I think we should give her a hand. Fabulous, fabulous. I love the energy here. I love the excitement. I spot someone sitting very quietly in one corner, trying to escape the camera. Let's go get her. Hi. Hold this, please, for me. You look lovely.
No, not
Are you
really.
nervous?
Yeah, a bit.
Why?
Because I know when I'm on stage, my legs are going to shiver.
Get up. A little bit nervous, happens. I've been there. Okay, take a deep breath in. Release it. And I'm going to ask you to do something and you cannot refuse. Okay? You will not refuse.
Okay.
Take 3 jumps and shout, woo, woo, woo! And trust me, it's gonna work and all your nervous energy is gonna work. We are all gonna cheer for her, okay? As she jumps and does that. 1, 2, 3. Woo, 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 woo! Backstage की सारी excitement तो देख ली. अब time आ गया उन special लोगों से मिलने का. It's time to meet the parents. Nisha's mother. Oh, ma'am, you look really excited.
I'm really excited. I'm so glad that she made it on the top 16.
I know, and she's a lovely girl.
Yeah.
And is she nervous?
No, she's not nervous at all.
Our first jury member is also styled as Sweet 16 for this grand finale.
16 girls, like, when I met them like 2 days ago, they were just like whatever. I just went to the green room now and checked on them. They're completely, yes, absolutely.
I agree,
I think it's
But tell me something, what is that one quality that you're looking for?
Well, these 16 girls have like an equal chance. But whoever owes the look, you know, I mean, it's whoever wears the outfit and outfit doesn't wear her. So is
and
that diva?
The diva.
The diva.
Next on our jury panel is someone who the industry known as the Couture Gypsy. Editor at Strut 120, she's the fashion and content head at Jack in the Box Worldwide. Let's welcome Lata Sunand. Hi Lata, welcome to the grand finale. It's such a pleasure to have you.
It's a pleasure to be here.
What is that one thing that you're going to look out in a girl when you're selecting the Wheat Diva?
I think we're looking for a girl who's multifaceted.
Yes.
Somebody who's just not about the looks alone, but about attitude, popularity, you know, somebody who's got confidence.
Right.
So it's the entire package we're looking at.
Have a great evening, Lata. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next on our jury is someone we all love subscribing and tweeting to. I know I do. She's none other than Malini Agarwal, celebrity blogger, also known as Miss Malini. Girls are going to be nervous. Are you going to be a little hard on them?
No, we're going to be nice. I think the most important thing is smile at the girls and let them be confident back. And I've seen their pictures. All the finalists look amazing. So it's going to be a lot of tough competition, but I'm excited to see who wins.
And also, Veet Be The Diva is a huge platform.
I know. I think a platform like this is great because it sort of catapults any girl who's had this dream of being this diva and being on stage. It just gives them a great opportunity. So whichever girl wins this, lucky girl.
I know, she is. Have fun.
Thanks so much.
Next up on our jury is a lady whose magic wand, or should I say her camera, makes the world a more beautiful place to live in. Her photographs have been published in national and international magazines. She is the very talented and the very acclaimed Nandini Mehta. Hi Nandini,
Hi.
so great to see you again. Welcome to the grand finale. Right, because it is a huge chance, because Veet in itself is a huge platform. The fact that they get and step into the world with your pictures there is fabulous.
And and the girls are really good. They're all confident.
I hope you have a fabulous evening.
Cool.
Right? All right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's now time to call upon Mr. Akhil Chandra, Managing Director, RB. Welcome to the grand finale of Veet Be The Diva. It's a pleasure to have you. We would love it if you can tell our audience what is really the belief behind Veet Be The Diva contest.
Okay. Well, the Veet Be The Diva contest is all about celebrating beauty and confidence. This is a stronger year. We've had a much bigger and a stronger response. We've reached out to a wider section of the audience, and the response that we've got is very much stronger.
Well, wishing you many more successful years, sir, and have a fabulous evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. So the first round has started, and I am super excited because the clothes are both formal and casual both. It's the first time that the contestants are going to step on the stage, only to depict the perfect modern Veet woman. Let's go watch them.
I saw my mother smiling.
But I'm a bit nervous for the question answer round. Now I have to change, so I won't be able to talk to you more. So thank you very much. I'll be back.
Hi Vanya, welcome to the grand finale. Vanya is Miss India World 2012. Am I right?
Thank you.
It is exciting.
It is amazing. I mean, for me, it's been a childhood dream, and today when I sit as a judge, having the crown of Miss India, I feel totally blessed. So I think Veet is doing a great job with, by having this platform for these young girls, and I'm sure they're going to do really well.
Thank you so much, Vanya, for being here. I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you.
Hi, Prachi.
Hi.
This is an exciting evening.
Yeah, I mean, when
you go on the stage and when you're about to give the crown, you have that feeling ki, you know, you are giving the crown and you walk on the ramp. It's an amazing feeling. It's like nostalgic. The same thing is happening again.
So Rochelle, I was there on that platform a few years back. You were there this year.
Yep.
And now these girls are there on a very, very, very fresh platform. How does it feel?
I think having been there, you know, it's great that Beat is giving these girls such an amazing platform, and it's great to be a part of something like this where, you know, you can share whatever you've learned.
Aren't they looking wonderful in their pretty, pretty outfits? Wow. Need to have a round applause for them. So, judges, are we ready? Yes? All right. So, we're going to call Siddhi Verma from Delhi.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you? How do you feel
Good.
tonight?
Amazing.
Amazing?
Like a diva.
Like a diva. You want an easy question or a difficult one? You can
It's
pick.
up to you. It's totally up to you.
So I have a good one. Could you define the 3 qualities that a woman of the new millennium should have?
According to me, the 3 qualities that the women of the millennium should have is the endurance, sense of commitment, and grace. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done, Siddhi. Right. I would like to invite Navneet Kaur from Ranchi.
Hello, sir.
Hello. So I start with the same question. How do you feel tonight?
I feel great.
So Navneet, if you were crowned tonight, Miss V Be the Diva, what message would you have for your fellow contestant and for the world?
Okay, thank you so much for the lovely question. I would like to tell my fellow contestants that just be yourself. Don't worry what others think. Because being in top 16, you already are a diva and you've started feeling like a diva. Like Veet itself says, what a beauty feels like. I feel the same. I feel like a diva. Thank you so much.
Yes, and now Dimple Paul from Mumbai.
Hi, Dimple. Hi. What is the one big mistake that you've made in your life, and what did you do to make it right?
Okay, the biggest mistake, I think it's a mistake of choosing the career of modeling and acting, because at the start I thought it's going to be very easy, all glamorous, all goody-goody stuff, but no, it's not. But to make it right, yes, I'm struggling, and I know I'll be there and shining like a bright star. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Good luck.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, these are our fabulous 16 contestants who had elegance, poise, and intelligence.
That was nail-biting. These girls are really amazing me. I mean, from really simple, sweet girls, they have actually become divas. It is getting very exciting in there. I really don't want to miss any of the action. So shall we go back in? I think so. Let's go.
We're all ready for the results, and our judges are equally excited to announce them. So I would like to invite all our judges on stage. So friends, now our judges are here and we're all ready to announce the winners. But before we announce that, I have sub-contest names that I have is the Miss Sexy Legs. And let's see who has got the Miss Sexy Legs. Yes? All right. The Miss Sexy Legs goes to Siddhi Verma. asked questions to our girls, and everybody had equal confidence, but somebody who really holds a lot of confidence among them. I would like to announce the Miss Confidence, and it goes to Navneet. Congratulations. Now, time to announce the winners, and yes, it's we'll start with the second runner-up. The second runner-up. Girls, are you ready? Give me a shout. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. The second runner-up is Natasha. Congratulations. Now, Prachi, get ready to crown our first runner-up. So now our first runner-up is. I have the names and I'm taking a lot of time. So it's Manmeet. Congratulations. And now, fasten your seatbelts as we're about to announce Sweet Be the Diva winner 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is...
Sweet Be the Diva has fulfilled yet another dream.
Ladies and gentlemen, we all are excited, are we? The winner is... Dimple Ball from Mumbai!
A beautiful night has come to an end. Sweet Be the Diva has fulfilled yet another dream. Dimple from Mumbai, her dream to be a diva has come alive. And not only this, our three winners are going to win a contract, an annual contract from Quan, premier celebrity management company which handles celebrities like Ranbir Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, Frida Pinto, Chitrangada Singh and many more. This would definitely help kickstart their career in beauty, Bollywood and fashion. In addition to this, our winner Dimple also gets a fashion portfolio shot by our ace photographer Nandini Mehta. So now is the time to meet the winner of Sweet Be the Diva 2012, Dimple. I really can't wait to meet her. Dimple! Big hug, congratulations. You know, she has always been secretly my favorite.
Oh, thank you so much for the compliment, but I still can't believe I have won it. 2 days of experience, it was a lot for me. I'm just overwhelmed. I've won it. And I would like to tell one thing, that Sweet has always given me smooth skin. And now, a great platform to start off with.
That is very, very,
so
very
happy
well
about
said.
it.
Absolutely. And I wish you all the best. You look gorgeous, keep smiling, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Another girl, another crown, another diva. What an evening. What a journey. This is Sonali Sehgal signing off. But before that, all you divas in the making out there, Wheat India welcomes you with open arms. Come join us. Come be the next diva. Come because the crown could be yours. So, would you like to be the next diva?
Thank you.